na padeng ki babun ki pai ba yo covid ha ka jala laingut na kini ki dei ki khulung ki blayo ban yabet lang yo te khunyang jingpang ubala kiu state ba manta ha migalia kat kumbujing thu do dr amanwar director ka koi ka khya ki te ki laingut ki khulung ki kanthop ye wei ban reusnam iwei ba shisnam sitang bat wei pat ibadang knai banai na kaliau de jas le thu ru ba ki te boro laingut ki shai ki khlain ba manta bat ki don hapdeng ka jing sumar ha ka wei pat kaliang loi thu ba ki arngut ki nongpang ki blapan kriya na civil hospital san nigram ki ru ki lakham yo abo tat hadu khani janmit singi palai ka jala kala hadu laispa atringut ki bodon yu te jingpang ban nakini ka is ka sales ka dei ka bontam da ki arspa prapu prangun ka jingkiu ka jingdon ki bayo covid ka dei e na ka jingbun ki sipai USF ki blapoi hadu arspa arpu arngun.
One baby, I think somebody asked that there is a positive case in Ganeshda's baby. But that baby was, I think, from the corona care center. They had just taken to Ganeshda's for baseline investigations for the baby. We have to do some baseline investigation. That's why they were taken to Ganeshda's. Now they have gone back to corona care center. One is 9 months, 1.5 years. There is another one, and a 6-year-old child.